But the Iberian Peninsula has been impacted and that some parts of France were also affected. CNN Salma Abdelaziz is in London. Salma.
Chaos and confusion. I think those are absolutely the words of the day. Around midday local time in both Spain and Portugal, multiple towns, multiple cities experiencing a
That's a spokeswoman for France's electricity transmission operator RTE telling CNN on Monday. Obviously, nobody wants to speculate at this point as to what has happened.